In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar link on this Hyundai Santa Fe. Let's install this brand new TRQ part. Use a 21mm socket and take all 5 of your lug nuts off, then we can remove the wheel. If your wheel is stuck, give it a couple taps and remove the wheel. Take a 17mm socket and remove the mounting nut that goes on the sway bar end link through the strut here. Sometimes these get stuck, so you'll have to hold the sway bar link from the back side. In this case, looks like it wasn't very stuck. Pull the sway bar link out. Let's get a 17mm socket on the bottom of the sway bar link and remove that mounting nut. Perfect. This came off. Remove it the rest of the way. There's your sway bar link. Take your new sway bar link, slide it through the sway bar. Doesn't matter which end goes on first. It is not directional. And then take your new mounting nut, which by the way is going to be an 18mm in size. I like to put some anti-seize on those threads and on the stud. That way it is less likely to get stuck on in the future. Tighten this up. Alright, the torque on these is 87 foot-pounds. However, I can't get a torque wrench to accurately torque this, so I'm just going to make this one nice and snug with my impact. That's as tight as that's going to get. Let's move on to the top. There we go. Put the mounting nut on. Let's tighten it up. The torque on this is 87 foot-pounds. That's it right there. Put the wheel back on. Thread on all 5 of your lug nuts by hand to make sure they don't cross thread. And then in a cross pattern, I'm going to bottom them out and snug them. And the torque for these is between 65 and 79 foot-pounds. I'm going to go for 79 in a cross pattern. Double check them.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.